This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook just eggs vegan. First, ensure you have a bottle of your preferred liquid vegan egg substitute ready. You will also need 1 tablespoon of unsweetened plant-based milk, like almond or soy, along with 1/4 teaspoon of black salt or kala namak. This special salt imparts a distinct, eggy flavor, elevating your dish significantly. It's a crucial component for achieving that authentic taste. To begin cooking, place a non-stick pan on your stovetop and set the heat to medium-low. This moderate temperature prevents burning and ensures even cooking. Next, add about 1 teaspoon of plant-based oil, such as olive or coconut oil, or even a dollop of vegan butter. Swirl the pan gently to coat the entire bottom surface, creating a smooth, non-stick base for your vegan eggs. Once your pan is hot and coated, carefully pour about 1/2 cup of the liquid vegan egg mixture directly into the center. Allow it to cook undisturbed for approximately 1 minute. You will notice the edges starting to solidify. With a heat-resistant spatula, gently push these cooked edges towards the middle of the pan. This action helps the uncooked liquid flow underneath, promoting even cooking throughout the mixture. Keep gently folding and scrambling the mixture, continuing for another 2 to 3 minutes. As you do this, the vegan eggs will develop a familiar scrambled appearance. Look for them to be fully set yet still wonderfully moist and delightfully fluffy. The key is to avoid overcooking, which can unfortunately result in a rubbery texture. You want that perfect, tender consistency for your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.